Mentakas ngi jingalang jong parliamentary party jong sarkar MDA kebar kewalayalam daga parti NPP banyakren bajatai habiadei berkurtong nagmta ke MP election Rajya Sabha kabanlong hak khatpra tarik jeliu arajar penriu lakhot yegane jingalang kalong banejit yo kurtong henrei nagiwei parti kala snodei ba ke NPP kan sei yo kurtong namar dei maka kebayalam ya sarkar nang ban wanra yak jinga dei babej berhenti kumba julong. Hakane jingalang hak babaro parti kibadon hak sarkar MDA kliadon. Hakane jingalang hak babaro parti kibadon hak sarkar MDA kliadon lang. Naga NPP kepala mikmat do menteri rangba kejelau Konrad K Sangma ba Preston tensong sembut menteri rangba kejelah. Naga parti UDP ladon ba polling do ba Lakman Remboy. Naga BJP ladon ba Sanbor Sulai ba Elheng. Naga HSPDP ladon ba Shaklar Wajri ba Methodius Dekhar. But naki MLA Shimet Lamikmat Daw Remington G. Momin.
So we had the legislature party meeting of the NPP yesterday in the CM residence right here, and we have come to a conclusion. Today our meeting of the MDA partners will take place at 2:30 in the State Guest House, and after we have a consultation with our MDA partners, and only then will we move forward. So after that meeting, the State President and our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, will be addressing the press. So I expect by 3 o'clock we should be able to have the press conference. But as I said, since consultation is still going on, discussions are still going on, it will not be correct for me to speak out right now. But we do expect, as I said, by today, by about 3 o'clock, we should be able to have a press conference and give the details of the outcome of the discussions we had.
So how many shortlisted? Only the number?
Yes, we had a few names, and of course we still are discussing those names, and then we'll discuss those names further with the MDA partners, and of course we will take any suggestions from them also. Because at the end of the day, as MDA, we have to be together, and we have to work together. And therefore, this is an important decision. The representative will not be just an NPP representative. He or she will be representing the state as a whole, and will be representing all the different coalition partners, as well as the other members also. So therefore, we need to take everybody on board. So yes, we will be deciding that by today.